track. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Here we see a Dan Dougherty in his natural habitat. Switch up, 450 out. How beauteous. Let's watch more.
I know what they like. They wanna stay up and party all night. So bring a friend. I know what girls want.
I know what guys want.
I know what they like.
I know what boys like.
I know what girls want.
I know what guys want.
I know what they like.
I know what boys like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so everybody come and vibe with the little tip. Well, I'm right there. Not tell a lie, cause I'm right there. Right there. Nah, right here. Now get off your shirt. I mean, yeah. Some English MCs get twisted. Start saying cookies instead of biscuits. Anyway, yeah, let's commence. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, babe. Watch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, pat it.
And see, we have the Shrike, the maintainer of the land, providing a perfect ecosystem for these park riders, ensuring that everything they do is perfect and that they have the perfect places to do them. No matter what goes on, the park crew is essentially the god of the land. Mess with him and you will regret it.